stop at McDonald's.
Oh shit. Hello YouTube, you join us again for another video. We have just made it, as you've probably seen from some of the B-roll I've just put in before this. We've made it 600 miles up to Scotland, and this this is our spot for this evening. And then tomorrow we'll head up and we'll probably be doing the starting the Route 500. So yeah. So when we went and got gear, a guy at doors for the last minute bits like gas and things, Sam pointed at the bucket and found this, which is a solar shower. You've probably seen them before, but water, solar shower.
I can't do it myself, you know, right?
Darkest hour, I wanna comfort you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go? In your head when in the real world is snow.
Here we go, yeah, Luke in his natural habitat.
Don't want anything damp going back in, so once you're done, hang on.
So the current camp setup, with the addition of wild shower, £5, £8 from Lidl. So we're currently setting up a little campfire, trying to do it as well a little bit early to just try and keep the midges away. I've heard they're pretty bad and I don't really want to experience the wrath of them. Sam's just grabbed a dead tree. He's going to chop some of that up. And yeah, start cooking dinner shortly. It's going to be good. What are we having for dinner, Sam?
Jalfrezi.
Jalfrezi.
Because I can't bother to have one.
So Sam's cooking dinner tonight, which means I'll probably be left with the washing up. Yeah. You enjoying your beer?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. And in all honesty, this spot's fantastic. I know I keep raving on about things being fantastic, but the whole going away in a van, mountain biking, finding camp spots like this is just, it's incredible. I think those that do it will agree with me. First time being in Scotland, and to be spending a night here with the river, having a shower, fire going, and just so you all know, this will all be left as we found it. We don't believe in leaving rubbish, litter, fires. So fire will be put out, all the ash will be cleared, and it'll be as if nobody ever came here. So tomorrow we hit the Route 500 and you'll probably see some of that. Okay, so myself and Sam decided that we'd get the bikes out, get away from the midges. They're still here. We went along a road from where we stayed. We didn't know there was any mountain bike trails around here. We find ourselves climbing up this to try and get the sunset. I mean, it's spectacular. We're not even in mountain bike clothes. We're just in a normal t-shirt and jeans, but we're going to push on. There you go. What are we doing? People are giving us such funny looks. Last minute dash to get sunset. I mean, there's no way we're going to the top of over there, but somewhere up here might be good enough. How you feeling?
Find yourself, no.
Beer is coming up, that's what's coming up.
Lost and looking for so.
I don't know where Sam is, he's gone.
Grab the phone.
Come on, Sam.
Sometimes.
Good morning, guys. So we've awoken in Scotland. That was an eventful day yesterday. What we thought was going to turn into a lovely ride up to the top of the mountain for a sunset view. Quickly turned sour. Sam got a puncture and we didn't have the kit on us, and it was very silly of us to actually have gone up there. Anyway, the midges were incredibly bad. Sam turned around to me at one point when he was trying to fix it and had him all over his face. And it turns out that clearly they just flick on a dime and they all come out once the temperature drops and the sun goes out. We weren't to know that, but anyway, we know now. As you've already seen, this is the spot we camped at. Sam's in the side, he's just cleaning up after breakfast, so now we're gonna move on. But what a beautiful spot this is. Scotland is beautiful, bar the midges. So yeah. Yesterday, once most of the walkers had gone from here, had a road cyclist come along and I went to give her a friendly wave, and she didn't like what she saw and was shaking her head, filming us as she went past. Just for that reason and that reason alone, we're gonna show you how we've left the place. We had a little fire going yesterday. Fire has been cleaned, and we've even got a litter bag because we do clean up our litter. This spot that we're in will be completely clear by the time we've gone, and nobody would have known we're here. So if she is watching, we're not like other people that may leave rubbish around. We come, we use, and we leave exactly as we found it. So just bear that in mind. So don't tarnish everyone with the same brush. And we've come to this spot, which is where the salmon come to return to their breeding ground and lay their eggs, spawn their eggs, whatever salmon do. Beautiful, really nice. And we've got to see the salmon jumping out of the water. How they get out some of the big stuff is incredible. We were lucky enough to see some of them. I'll drop a clip in of that now. Oh! So yeah, now we're going to try and find a spot to park up for tonight. And not too sure where that's going to be, but then we'll continue the 500 tomorrow. What a way to end the day. We've seen dolphins today and salmon. Sam's up there. So this is where we've found for this evening. After taking a diver from a spot we'd already found that was like sort of opposite a castle, which was really nice, Sam needed to go and use the facility, so we drove away from there to go and find a different spot. But it was like a caravan parking place, so we found this. The only people here, private beach just down there. Windy and cold, but doesn't bother us. We're getting there, have a few drinks now, and see you in the morning. Currently waiting for Sam to come out of the public toilet. That's not Sam. He's still in there. There you go. We found ourselves at the chemist because Sam's midge bites are really getting to him. His legs are well spotty. Look, with midge bites.
Put my midgie cream on.
They offered him 2 and he said, I'll have both because it's that bad.
Quite a lot of it, it's like all over my legs.
So it turns out the whiskey place that we were recommended is actually closed Monday, Tuesday. It's open Wednesday to Saturday. I'm not going to wait around 2 days to Wednesday.
No, we're not.
Let's stock up with some food instead at the cooperative.
Thanks, Luke. There's no fucking burgers.
Got some water, sausage rolls, pot pies, milk, bread, beer. An alright shop. We have cooked up a treat. BLTs.
Hello. Very delicious.
Oh, Sam's taking his shoes off. He's enjoying the sand.
Bloody lovely this is.
I know.